Hello, this is Itai Levitan at Forex Live, and I'm looking if Google stock is a buy or sell. And I prefer not to be like others, and which are looking to possibly buy now. But I'm looking to be more patient, a lot more patient, and wait. If it gets to certain conditions and certain prices, then I'm interested to buy. Imagine if you're buying real estate and you're not interested to necessarily now go out and buy or take a big loans or execute a strategy where you're as a corporation you're enlarging your footprint in the market, but you're saying if the market corrects 20-25%, then I'm going big. So this is a bit like that. Um, let's get some lines out of the way. First of all, for those that are holding, some of you have been asking me. Also, I would be looking if it gets to 186 to about 188 and a half. I would be looking to at least dilute. Right now, we're in 180, 131 pre market. That's an area where I would be careful. Not that it can't create an all-time high, but your reward versus risk, for me at least, becomes such that I would dilute there, perhaps sell a significant amount of my position. Uh, but we're looking at where to buy, not where to sell. And I've got these three anchored VWAPs from these three earnings on October 24th, 2022, on 30th of January 2023, and on 24th of April 2023. And basically, we have we have here a place where basically there was a consolidation before a very significant increase. Okay, so all these three earnings, this is where the stock was accumulated big time by some people that believed or knowed or insiders or other funds, etc. Yeah, so I'm looking at those three lines, and because they're still rising, as the price is rising, they should be coming to around here. But this is only an orientation. Okay, this is one. I'm not doing it generally like this, but this is an orientation. That's why I'm going to erase them now. The four buy orders that I've got, and you'll see them on the web page. Uh, the first one is at 158.53, where X amount of shares are being bought, and then 2X amount of shares, so double that, if and when the stock price gets to 153.06. The third one, okay, where 3X of the amount, 3X of the budget will be bought, sorry, 3X amount of stocks, that is, at 140.79. And finally, the last one at 5X, because we're in a Fibonacci series, it's 137.42. When all these uh, buy orders, have been filled, your weighted average entry price is 143.10. And then you're putting a 5% stop loss. Okay, you'll see that in the web page. And going for a 35% increase to 193 or so. So that is going to be a 7-to-1 reward versus risk. We're risking 5% and going for a 35% profit. Now, this is an orientation. So it means, let's say only three of your fills got filled. Your average price is a bit higher, and the price is going up, and you're profiting, you might not want to just wait for the 193 final target. You might want to mitigate the risk and take half off and halfway, just for an example. Okay. But in summary, this does not now get into the game where, should I buy, should I sell, what's going to happen here? Is it going to be a new all-time high? Is it, we're going to pierce it? Is the Trump effect going to fade? What surprises? It basically sits tight, says I'm not gonna buy it at these prices. I might miss out, but I'm waiting for lower prices. And even then, you don't even know what are lower prices. So this gives you a very detailed plan of where to buy and how to buy with a stop. Okay. Your orders need to be ready ahead of time. You cannot just follow the chart and then buy, because if and when the price will get to these key levels, if they are right or close to right, there's going to be some algos that are buying there and driving the price so fast up that you're going to get a worse entry, and it might screw up your whole plan here. Okay. So is Google stock a buy or sell? I think it's a buy, but not now. And I've laid out a plan to target an entry price of 143.10. I know it seems extreme to some of you, but a lot of times some of these plans work out and they actually offer an amazing reward versus risk, because as you can see, they're also giving you a very limited loss, in this case 5%, with a 7-to-1 reward versus risk. Trade at your own risk. Do visit Forex Live for additional views, and thank you.